Welcome to the Fleet Management System video. In this walkthrough, we'll explore how the platform helps you manage vehicles, drivers, vendors, and trips, all in one place. As a super admin, you begin from the dashboard, your control center. From here, you can easily access and manage every part of the system. In the vehicle section, you can view your entire fleet, filter and search by type, manufacturer, or driver status. Adding new vehicles is simple. Just click the Add Vehicle button. Fill in the basic details of the vehicle. Next, complete the ownership form by selecting whether the car is owned, rented, or leased, and enter the relevant information. The third step is the insurance form, where you provide all required insurance details. Once all forms are completed, the system will automatically guide you to assign a driver. Simply choose a driver, confirm, and the vehicle is successfully added to the fleet. The driver's section gives you full control over your team. View detailed driver profiles, trip history, and upcoming schedules. From the driver's section, the super admin can also add a new driver. Simply click the Add Driver button, enter the basic details like name, email, and phone number, and the system instantly adds the driver. Super admins can also make financial adjustments directly from here. Using the Pay Advance button, an advance or full trip payment can be processed before the trip begins. In addition, all expense details are shown clearly, including outstanding payments. By opening the outstanding category, the super admin can review pending amounts and take action accordingly, then even manage linked vehicles, all in real time. With the Vendor tab, you can easily search, filter, and review vendor profiles. Access complete payment records, monitor outstanding balances, and even view transaction details with route locations displayed on Google Maps. The Trip section allows you to create and manage trips efficiently. Upcoming, ongoing, completed, canceled, and even rejected trips, all in one organized view. To schedule a new trip, simply click on Schedule a Trip. First, select who the trip is for, yourself, an employee, or any other person. Next, choose an available vehicle from the fleet. Then, set the route, add any stoppages if required, and select the trip date. You can also decide whether the trip will be a single trip or a round trip. The system automatically calculates trip duration, and if additional time is needed, it can be added easily. In the My Trip section, you can manage your own journeys, review upcoming, ongoing, completed, and canceled trips. Scheduling a new trip is simple. Just choose a vehicle, set the route, add stoppages, and the system will calculate duration automatically. You can also schedule a vehicle for maintenance. Simply select Maintenance Trip, choose the vehicle, add the trip details, and assign the vendor responsible. With just a few clicks, the maintenance trip is set. In the All Expenses section, the super admin can view every financial detail in one place. This includes driver expenses, vendor expenses, and employee expenses, all clearly categorized as cashed, outstanding, or rejected. The Employees section allows the super admin to manage staff members with ease, view trip details, upcoming, ongoing, completed, or canceled, along with expense details such as cashed, outstanding, and rejected payments. Adding a new employee is just as simple. Click the Add Employee button, fill in the basic details, and save. The Leave Requests section keeps everything organized for staff time off management. Here, Super Admin can review and manage requests under 3 clear categories: pending, approved, and rejected. Drivers receive their login credentials directly on email and phone. To complete registration, the driver provides personal information, including profile image, name, date of birth, nationality, and gender. Next, the driver enters address details. Multiple addresses can be added, but one must be marked as the current address. At least one identification document is required to continue, though more than one can be uploaded. In the next step, agency details are added, such as logo, name, email, website, phone number, and addresses. Bank information can also be entered, whether local or international. Again, multiple addresses can be added, but one must be marked as current. Finally, the driver uploads or draws a signature, completing the registration process. Once registered, the driver can log in with their credentials and access the fleet management dashboard. From the driver dashboard, they can view a trip summary and payment summary, along with the details of upcoming, ongoing, completed, and canceled trips. On the expenses screen, drivers can see all payments categorized as cashed, outstanding, or rejected. Each expense can be opened for complete details, including trip, amount, method, and status. In the Leave section, drivers can submit new leave requests by selecting the dates and adding a note. Requests are sent to the super admin for approval or rejection. Drivers can also track their pending, approved, and rejected leaves. The Profile section displays all personal, identification, agency, and bank information provided during registration. And from settings, drivers can update their password, set notification preferences, and select their preferred language. Once vendors logged in, they land on their dashboard, which provides an overview of services, payments, and maintenance activities. From the Expenses section, vendors can track payments that are categorized as cashed, outstanding, or rejected. The Maintenance section allows vendors to view upcoming, ongoing, completed, and canceled maintenance trips linked to their services. The Profile section contains all vendor business information, including company details, contact information, and addresses. Finally, in the Settings screen, vendors can update their password, set notification preferences, and select their preferred language. That's the Fleet Management System, a complete solution to manage vehicles, drivers, vendors, and trips with ease and efficiency.